Hi friends, welcome to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. Today I'm trying to recreate a succulent hanger that I'd seen at one of these high-end stores a couple of weeks back. So what I'm doing is I'm using these Dollar Tree skewers, wooden skewers, and I'll be using them as hangers. And I'll be using the tuna cans. There are 3 tuna cans which I'll be using to place the succulents in. So it's a little bit of a delicate project. Thank you for watching this DIY. If you like this tutorial, please like this video and share it if you can. And if you could subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. Thank you.